Hi everyone, this is the start of my Connected Career franchise for Madden 15. I have created a head coach. The video is a little weird. I had trouble with it, so it's going to cut off at a weird spot, but I'll tell you about what happens after the video cuts off. Now, after I make all my um, roster trades, go through, make a few free agent signings. I signed a DT, a middle linebacker, Henderson, who is gonna start. He's not very. It's like an 80 overall, so it's better than what I had there. I signed just two offensive linemen. Might come back to haunt me later in the future, but it solidified my line a little bit. Beside that, that's really all you miss. I know a few people are going to hate on me a little bit because I'm not going to start Maurice Jones-Drew or McFadden. I don't think they're solid running backs. There is a rookie running back for the Raiders that I think has some potential. His name's Atkinson. I can't remember his overall. See it in a few minutes anyway. He's faster, more agile than Jones-Drew and McFadden, so I think he'll be a better fit for what I'm going to try to build. And his carrying's a little low, but we'll survive. Just wanted to see what they said about me in the story section. Basically said I'm crap. Hopefully prove them wrong. Alright, so this is what I noticed first time. I was looking at him. I was thinking about going to trade for him. And, yeah. I wanted to see where my roster stood, so I went in, made a few cuts, cut Mr. Rogers there, saved $1.5 million. And yeah, I don't know how many of you guys are gonna hate on me for making this video with the Raiders and then cutting some of their players. I'm not really familiar with who's popular on the Oakland Raiders, so sorry if I offend you by cutting somebody you like, but I have to go by the numbers. And I was very happy to see that at right linebackers they're actually above 80. It's good news for me. And I wasn't very overly impressed with the middle linebacker slot. And I know this is gonna make people upset because I released somebody that was an 80 at defensive tackle, but I hate silhouettes. Hate them. I think Madden should just plug something in there. And on that same topic, I think Madden should catch up with 2K Sports, which allows you to use the camera from the PS4 and Xbox One to make your character face. I think it's a cool feature, and I think if 2K can do it, I think Madden should be able to do it. So that's where I'm gonna end with that. Line isn't really all that bad for Oakland. You got some rookies. Some of the older veterans actually aren't that bad. I kind of liked their tight end set. They're all young. That's what I like about it. You can recover that. And you guys might, I don't know if you like it or hate it. I ended up keeping James Jones. He's on my fantasy football team. Gets me a good amount of points every week. So I kept him. I don't know if that's going to upset people. I don't know what's. So. But I did cut somebody else. Oh, yeah, Kendall Tompkins after Vincent Brown. I hate Tompkins. Patriots fan here. Sorry, everybody. I know that's going to turn some people off from this channel. But I am. And I don't like Tompkins. I thought he was a bum when he was playing for the Patriots anyway. And I always like to note that it seems weird that all the bad teams have a really good fullback, which actually I might use for the running game. And this is where I look at George Atkinson. I'm looking at his acceleration, his agility. It's better than McFadden and Jones-Drew. Yeah, I went a little far, went down the line. And looking at it now, he actually has a better injury rating too. His awareness is like a 42. That can be recovered. That's quick points, overall points right there. He's a 92 speed. And he's more agile and he has faster acceleration, which means he hits that top speed faster than Jones-Drew and McFadden, which helps him get off the line quicker. So I'm going to be starting him. I don't like we'll do something with it, I'm not sure. But Jones-Drew and McFadden aren't trade bait anymore. They're past their prime, according to Madden overall. Right there, I thought about releasing Shaw, but as a veteran and backup quarterback, you may not do that. And the video is going to cut out soon. I don't know why I'm having this trouble with the video. After like 8 minutes, it cuts out, and all it shows is the loading screen, which is just me going through the free agents. Right now, I'm going to offer up. I thought about getting Micah Hyde too. But back to what I'm actually going to do in a few seconds. I'm going to trade a 3rd round pick and a 79 overall DT to the New York Giants for Jason Pierre-Paul. I think that's a very good trade-off, and really can't complain. He's 77, so they took him. He's an older guy. He's 29, and I'm trading away a 3rd round pick and shitty defensive tackle for Jason Pierre-Paul. Can't really complain. But good night, everyone. Have a good day.